I am Rajinder from Gencast Bioproducts Private Limited. We are a part of Samta Group, where we are having multiple verticals. We are present in entire globe if we see, because we are into the mining business. We are having our mines in Uganda, Congo and Morocco. Also, we are having a presence in the United States, where we are having a one vertical, that's a phylozyme, where we are doing lot of work on the plant enzymes. And also in Infinichains, we are having blockchain technology, and where we are covering, we are having two offices. One is in India, which is based at Pune, and second one is in California in the United States. We are working for the blockchain technology and providing the solutions to the farmer, and any different industries also we are providing the solutions. Also, we are having a solar energy unit in Gujarat, where we are producing the electricity to the solar route and providing to the society. Here in Gencast, we are trying to address the problems of the farmers by working on the agro waste. We are working very aggressively on a banana plant, because after harvesting of the fruit, actually disposing of the stem is actually it's a real challenge for the farmer. So we try to address that part, and that's where our mission also comes, where we are providing sustainable solution to the society. Here from the banana pseudo stem, because after harvesting, when it's a burden for the farmer, where farmer is spending around 15 to 20,000 rupees to dispose of those stems, but we are taking those stems to from the farmers and having very useful products out of that. And firstly, we are solving the problem in two ways. One part is that we are reducing the cost of the farmers by getting the stems from the farmer. He don't have any need to dispose of those stems. Secondly, we are producing multiple products out of that stem. From that banana pseudo stem, we are having a banana fiber. We are having organic liquid fertilizers. Liquid fertilizer, we can see the entire range. We are having total 9 variants. 7 variants are coming in the nutrient segment, and 2 variants we are having in the crop protection. So we launched these products in by the name of AgroSatwa. And in field trials, the interesting point is that wherever we have done the field trials, almost all the crop segments in India and majority of the states of India we covered, we have seen the results, very significant results we have seen, and yield improvement is coming between 15 to 30% yield increase is there. And on the crop also, because whenever we apply this product on the crop, immediately within 7 to 10 days we get the results, and visible results we can see either it's a secondary and tertiary roots development, or on the vegetative growth of the plant. Even in the more flowering we are getting, fruit setting is more, and ultimately yield is increasing. In this way we are trying, actually whatever is the burden for the farmer, we are reducing the burden, providing the useful products in this space. I think so we can work more aggressively on that part and provide more solutions to the society. And at the same time, currently one facility is coming in Maharashtra, in Jalgaon district. We are looking for multiple facilities in the banana belt of India. We are looking for 3 more plants in India, and also we are looking for other international locations where we can have these plants provide good solutions to the farmer, good solutions to the society, and better products for the future. Thank you.